In this video we will see about drones. Let us discover the components of drones and how it works. This illustration outlines the individual parts of a drone. Frame, GPS, camera, tester, motors, propellers, LiPo batteries, sensors. A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle that can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously. There are various types of drones, but today we will focus on the most commonly used quadcopters. Drone consists of various key components that work together. Let's find out what they are. The frame. This structure holds everything together and is designed to be lightweight and durable. The frame is not just a physical structure but is engineered to ensure stability and durability while minimizing overall weight. Drones must balance lightness and robustness, which is why specific materials like carbon fiber, plastic, or aluminum are used. The frame design varies depending on the application and type of drone. In quadcopters, an X or H-shaped frame with 4 arms is common. Brushless motors and propellers. The movement of a drone is possible through electric motors known as brushless motors. These motors power the propellers, which generate the thrust needed to lift the drone and keep it airborne. The propellers spinning at different speeds allow the drone to move in all directions, forward, backward, sideways, and even rotate itself. Battery. Batteries are the energy source that power the entire system. They are one of the most critical components because they determine flight duration, available power, and overall performance. Most modern drones use LiPo or lithium polymer batteries. Flight controller. The flight controller is the brain of the drone, which interprets commands and stabilizes the flight. Sensors. Sensors such as gyroscopes and accelerometers help the drone maintain stability and orientation. A drone's flight relies on a perfect balance between power control and stability. Let's see how it works in detail. When all 4 propellers spin at the same speed, the drone lifts vertically. To move forward, the rear propellers spin faster than the front ones, creating forward thrust. The same logic applies to lateral movement, increasing speed on one side and reducing it on the other. But how does a drone rotate on itself or execute turning movements? This is where torque comes into play. A drone's motors spin in opposite directions, 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise. When the clockwise motors spin faster than the others, the drone rotates in the opposite direction. Thus we conclude that drones are a vital tool in modern surveying and data collection.